Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to track crude oil prices right inside TradingView, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add crude oil to your TradingView watchlist with ease, whether you're a new trader, an investor keeping an eye on commodities, or just curious about global market moves. So let's get right into it and make sure you don't miss a beat. First things first, go ahead and hop onto TradingView. You can do this from any web browser or on the mobile app if that's how you prefer to trade. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to get oriented. TradingView can look overwhelming at first, but the good news is it's designed to be user-friendly. You'll see a lot of features and charts, but we're going to keep it simple. Now, the next thing you'll want to do is select the products. What this means is you need to navigate to where TradingView lets you pick different financial instruments to track: stocks, currencies, crypto, and of course, commodities like crude oil. Usually, you'll see this section either on the left sidebar or as a tab along the top, depending on your device or how you've set up TradingView. Don't worry if it takes a second to spot it. You're looking for an area that lets you browse or search among the huge variety of market assets. Once you've found that, glance over to your watch list. The watch list is essentially your personal dashboard, a list of all the assets you want to monitor, neatly stacked and easy to check at a glance. If you've never used the watch list before, imagine it like a bookmarks folder for your favorite websites, except it's keeping track of markets instead. Here, the key step. To add something new to your watch list, look for the little plus sign, plus. It's usually next to the watch list or near the top. Go ahead and click that plus. TradingView pops up a search box inviting you to type the name of the asset you're looking for. Type in crude oil. As you start typing, you'll notice TradingView auto-suggests options. Now, when it comes to crude oil, there might be a few different listings, for example, crude oil WTI futures or Brent oil, so pick the one that best matches what you want to track. If you're not sure which one to pick, the WTI crude oil futures is a pretty standard choice for most traders. Found it? Great. You'll see another plus sign next to the crude oil listing in the search results. Click that and just like magic, crude oil is added to your watch list. You can now see it right alongside your other assets, and you're set up to watch the latest price movements, analyze charts, or set up alerts as needed. And that's all there is to it. Sometimes the hardest part is just knowing where to find things, but once you've added crude oil, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Remember, adding assets to your watch list is the quickest way to stay informed and catch market opportunities as they pop up. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button so more people can discover it. Got a question or want to know how to track other commodities or assets on TradingView? Drop a comment below. I check them regularly and I'm always happy to help. And if you want to keep sharpening your trading skills, don't forget to subscribe for more practical step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.